Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I be to our beloved lecturer of all time, Dr. Dolhadi. I'm Asyraf Danial from Group Raven Section 2. We'll be presenting to you our EL4 with the topic of Alaska Airlines. 20-minute baggage process guaranteed. We're starting off with the introduction of Alaska Airlines. Alaska Airlines is a major American airline based in Seattle and it was founded in 1932. The airline operates an extensive network of flights serving over 120 destinations in the United States, Mexico, Canada, Costa Rica, and several other countries, and it is also known for its commitment to provide excellent customer service and a friendly travel experience. Because of this, it has been consistently ranked highly in customer satisfaction surveys. Moving on to the background of Alaska Airlines, as it has a good safety record, it also has been named as one of the safest airlines in the world. It also have expanded its operation to include several new destinations and new aircraft. Currently, Alaska Airlines has over 20,000 staffs and more than 200 aircraft, and also with over 120 destinations in USA, Canada, Mexico, and Costa Rica. As the summary of our case study, Alaska Airlines is known for utilizing technology to satisfy their customers, and it is achieved by incorporating technologies into the service, such as automated kiosks. Their state-of-the-art services are how they manage to handle customers' baggage in just 20 minutes and will compensate with a 2,000 flyer mile bonus if the baggage did not arrive at the estimated time to show how confident they are. So, for the question, the first one is what other processes can an airline examine? Why is each important? Manual labor versus automation and mechanization defines that although technology has revolutionized the airline industry, but human labor is still essential for smooth operations. A healthy symbiosis is needed between the technology and human labor to ensure safetyness and efficiency for their customers guaranteed. Cost management is also one of the processes that an airline can examine because it will ensure that they are operating as efficiently as possible. This includes factors such as fuel, labor, and overhead. And the lower the cost incurred in operation, the more affordable the ticket price could be. And lastly, on-time performance means that an airline should always look to invest in better aircraft and better ground equipment to increase the efficiency. The staff are also needed to be fully trained to handle the equipment so that efficiency, reliability, and the level of trust among the customers will surge. Question 3. How does kiosk alter the check-in process? The kiosk alters the check-in process by practicing several techniques for improving service quality. The first one is separation. This can be seen when Alaska Airlines redirect their passengers to the kiosk if they want to put their luggage into the cargo area. Next is self-service, where the passengers have to tag their own luggage with barcode stickers printed from the kiosk. With the barcode sticker, the luggage can now be recognized by the conveyor belts for the automatic sorting process. Lastly, automation, since the kiosks provided are not handled by employees. Instead, they are computers that have been programmed for specific purposes. When you combine all of these techniques together, the check-in process becomes more efficient because passengers who want to check in do not have to line up at counter along with people. And lastly, question 5. What is the role of barcode scanners in the baggage process? The function of barcode scanners in the baggage process is mainly to detect, increase reliability, and precisely track the movement and location of the baggage. During departure, the barcode scanners will scan the bag every time a passenger arrives at the airport and one more time before it moves on to the plane. The similar process is done on arrival where the baggage will be scanned again when it is placed on the baggage carousel. This has increased the efficiency of Alaska Airlines in handling baggage and also eliminate the possibilities of bag loss. With the help of barcode scanners, Alaska Airlines also promised to process the baggage movement from airline to the baggage carousel within just 20 minutes mark. And among 100 baggage handled, only one bag exceed the 20 minutes mark to show how good their baggage handling system. From Islamic perspective, Allah mentioned in Surah Al-Ma'idah verse 1 which translate to, O believers, honor your obligations. All grazing livestock have been made lawful to you, except what is hereby announced to you and hunting while on pilgrimage. Indeed, Allah commands what He wills. This means that any act by human being, which is the creator of Allah, must have the feeling of sincerity. It is instrumental in building and developing a culture of confidence, truthfulness, trust, and cooperation in the organization. When a manager and subordinates are sincere to their job and duty, the organization shows more productivity. And as a conclusion, Alaska Airlines did emphasize service quality at the peak performance with an excellent customer service, specifically baggage management process. It is clear that an international company like Alaska Airlines applied ISO 9000 in their organization, but we could also see that they did a continuous improvement by strengthening their technological advantage and totally eliminate waste in the baggage management process for the sake of company's competitive advantage and customer satisfaction. So that's all from us. Thank you.